In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset games on Steam. We're going to walk through a clean, reliable way to wipe your progress so your game starts fresh, just like the first time you launch it. First, open the Steam app on your PC and make sure you're signed in. Before you do anything else, confirm the game you want to reset isn't running or updating in the background. In your library, the game should show as ready to play, not running. Also check the downloads section to make sure there's no update or cloud sync in progress. If anything is active, let it finish or cancel it. Next, turn off Steam Cloud so your old saves don't come back after you delete them. In the top left of Steam, click Steam, then Settings. Open the Cloud section and temporarily disable Steam Cloud Sync. Some games have a per-game toggle in their properties as well, which is handy if you only want to change it for this title. Turning Cloud off now prevents Steam from silently restoring your old files later. Now let's open the game's local files. Go to your library, find the game, right-click it, and choose Manage or Properties. From there, select Browse Local Files, or open the Installed Files tab and click Browse. This opens the game's installation folder in File Explorer. Saves aren't always stored right inside the install folder, so look around for folders named Save, Saves, Save Games, or something similar. If you don't see them there, many games store progress in your user folders, like Documents or App Data. If you're unsure, a quick look at the game support page or a reputable guide usually lists the exact save location. Once you've found the correct save directory, delete the save files and any profile or configuration files that hold your in-game progress. Take care not to remove the game's core executables or essential installation files unless a trusted guide specifically tells you to do so. If you're nervous, you can copy the save folder somewhere safe before deleting it, just in case you want to restore it later. When that's done, close Steam completely so it registers the changes. Use Exit from the Steam menu, then reopen Steam. Launch the game from your library. It should start as if it's brand new, with no prior progress. If everything looks good, you can return to settings later and re-enable Steam Cloud if you want syncing turned back on going forward. That's it. Thanks for watching.